All Little Giant condensate neutralizer products include easy-to-replace media. I'm Jeremiah Brody, and today I'll show you how to replace media in the VCMA-20-NPTC series. Neutralizing media should be replaced at least once a year or more often depending on usage levels. Keep in mind, we want the pH level to fall between 5 and 7. Little Giant offers replacement media for both the pump tank combo and the tube style neutralizers. To replace the media in the pump tank combo, first visually inspect the unit for signs of leaking or damage. Test the pH level to determine the pH level of the condensate outflow into the pump tank. Remove the clear cover and remove the fabric sock from the base. If needed, unsnap the pump assembly from the base and dump out and rinse the base. Next, simply reinstall the pump assembly onto the base and carefully place a new media-filled fabric sock into the flow channel. Replace the clear cover, making sure to snap securely into place and test operation while the appliance is running. To learn more, visit Franklin Tech and visit our product site, littlegiant.com, to view everything Little Giant has to offer. Thanks for watching.